Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign a document before sending on DocuSign. Before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description below to unlock 30 days free trial onto the platform, and that is going to be unlocking a lot of paid features completely free for the entire month. Let's just begin. First you need to send an envelope and then just wait for a couple of seconds and let it load. Upload a document, which is the best, and then add a recipient, add a message, which is optional. Click on sign. Now this is the part where you are going to be signing the document before sending. You can see, click on the sign option. It is going to be saving for a couple of seconds, and now you can simply add your sign. You can see now it is asking for our team members, which we do not want to do. So over here you will be able to see we have this option of adding a signature. Click on the signature and sign, and you can simply put your signature over here. If you want to add a completely new signature, you can see we can change the style or draw our own signature. Like for example, if we have Alex Norman, we can do something like this, adopt and sign, and you can see the signature is added. Now we can click on finish and send the document. That's how easy it is. Do not forget to get 30 days free trial using the link in the description. Do not forget to get 30 days free trial using the link in the description. I'm sorry about that sound. It was basically the sound made once your document is sent, and yeah, over here you can see it is saying completed. So yeah, I hope this helps, and see you guys around in the next video.